Cheesecake Factory at lunchtime celebrating Jeff's birthday. Just sad, turkey.
Okay. So the celebrant is...
Turkey sad.
Oh, kuya.
It's my birthday now.
Oh.
Cheesecake Factory.
Again?
Cheesecake Factory.
Cheesecake Factory. Okay, so continue.
How old is Kuya now?
He's now 12 years old.
12 years old. So, Lola, you want to say something?
Happy birthday, Boss! Sana sa taon, lalo pag muli. Medyo konting taba pa.
Konting taba pa raw. Oo.
Mabait sa bata.
Mabait daw.
Continue Alfredo without chicken.
So, ito na yung order.
Where's my fortune?
On the way.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Kuya! Enjoy! Wish you good health and follow your dreams. Huwag mo nang mag-aasawa until you get graduated and working, ha? That's very important. It's hot. And that's the birthday food.
Weird.
So, ang wish mo, ha? Okay, ha? Ako naman ang wish ko, anak. More bonding moment. More bonding moment natin. The healthy life. More time natin, ha? Okay? Tapos, mas maging close tayo. Okay?
Okay, yun ang kamukha mo.
Yung order namin ni Michelle, wala pa. So, maganda to. Sam, anong lugar nga ulit ito?
Cheesecake Factory.
Oh.
Or you should rewind the video.
Okay, sa Festival
Mall.
Festival Mall. Okay. Dumating na yung steak. Mami.
Okay lang. Hiwa ka lang. Okay lang.
Okay.
Madam, kumakain na kanya.
Kaya, marunong ha. Mami, ako daw po mag-slice ha.
Happy birthday from Maki! Happy birthday to you!
Good life.
Ayan na, it's perfect.
A good and healthy life.
You know, anak oh. Look at them there, dito. Thank you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday too! Anak, you have the same birthday.
Ito po yung vegetable. Pinagagawan po ni na Mami tsaka ni Michelle. Michelle, sino na ba nanalo sa inyo? Kanino mapupunta yung vegetable?
Rotate.
Kuya, anong vlog natin?
It was about the Cheesecake Factory and now we just finished eating.
So again, can you repeat?
The Cheesecake Factory in Dubai Festival City.
That's good, that's good. Anong celebration?
My birthday.
How old?
12 years old.
Okay. Meron ka bang gustong batiin sa vlog mo?
No.
Special person? Wala? Okay.
Masubuhan ka kasi birthday.
Si Sam. Yung vegetable, pinagagawan kanina na kay Mami, ngayon na kay Michelle.
That's chili.
Ikaw Sam, ano sasabihin mo?
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on YouTube, and follow me on TikTok.
Okay. Lola, Mami. Meron po ba kayong babatingin sa Bulacan?
Wala mo pa bati.
Kamusta yun? Si Rigor, si Lena?
Nandito kami sa ano ba to?
Cheesecake
Cheesecake
Factory.
Factory. Dito nag-celebrate ng 12th birthday si Boss.
Okay. Sa Bulacan, wala po kayong gustong batiin?
Wala naman.
Makikita po nila to.
Next year, saan nag-celebrate?
Binabati ko silang lahat.
Wala akong special?
Walang special. Lahat.
Lahat. Oo.
Next year, saan na mag-celebrate, Lala?
From the gusto.
Ikaw, Lena.
Si Lena yung kabit.
Ah,
Buka mo. Cut mo na lang.
walang cut-cut dito. Live to.
What did you say?
Nothing. Next year daw sa mag-celebrate si Gwen.
Who's Lena? And what did you say about
Ikaw na mami mag-decide kung saan. Baka Burshal Arab.
Okay na? Oh, opening of gift.
Okay yung gift. Kung na mami.
Oh, kuya.
Oh, ba't nakangit ka? Pakita mo.
Wow, ang ganda naman, oh.
Malaglan. Pakita mo si yung mga mga favorite nila.
Oh.
Oh, diba? Marami daw kasi silang anik-anik na maliliit. Pwede lagyan ng pera.
Ano ilalagay mo dyan, kuya?
Like my things.
Ha?
Like my things in my table.
Ah, parang organized. Ikaw Sam, ano ilalagay mo dyan?
Chocolate.
No. Secret.
Oy, si Davey ba kay Lola? Sabi ko si Lola kabit.
Oh, anak.
Thank you. And can you give me my gift early? I'll give you money. Ati, so when will I get it?
Oh, ikaw, kuya. What will you say to your lola?
Thank you, Lola Mami.
Lola, thank you sa sabi ni Kuya.